Now, big political move in the state of Tamil Nadu. TVK chief Vijay has already hit the campaign trail, heading out of his Chennai residence to connect with voters in Delta districts. This is where he is expected to address his second rally in Nagapattinam, which will be followed by another one in Thiruvarur. Now, we're given to understand that the TVK leader has already left his residence just a short while ago, and now he's all set for a day of high energy campaigning. In fact, if you look at his schedule today, he will be flying to Trichy by private jet, then making his way to Nagai by road, where he is expected to address the public at about, later. Now, the campaign spotlight now shifts to Delta region, with Vijay taking center stage. Earlier, he issued detailed guidelines, remember, to his supporters, urging discipline, avoiding traffic disruptors and also staying away from firecrackers, while ensuring that law and order is maintained at these political gatherings. Remember, he also appealed to vulnerable groups including children, senior citizens and also pregnant women to watch the event from home rather than attending it in person. Now, Vijay here stressed that the success of his rallies must reflect TVK's image as a reasonable political force in the state of Tamil Nadu. So, with the state inching closer to high-stakes elections, both the ruling government and emerging political players are keeping a close eye on every move.